Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome on today's video. Very special, and guys, it's another beautiful day which God have granted us. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for clicking my video. So in case you're new, guys, please subscribe, comment, share, like. So today it's our last day fixing the carabat, and I'm still waiting my engineer. So probably right now I want to work with some two gentlemen fetching water, pouring down, and then the engineer will from them things have ready, okay, and then doing some courses. So guys, I was working close to one and a half week, guys, working on my borehole. Right now things will be moving perfect, and I say, God, thank you so much. We're getting water, and I was losing hope, but my engineer keep putting me in a good way. You'll get water, you'll get water. I think it was a joke, but it's a serious thing, guys. So let me go and check those people at my home on the other side. Right now I'm at the back of my home. You know, this is the road where I was passing here, transporting material from other side, and I'll show you guys more videos around at my home. So yeah, I'm so grateful, and I want to say thank you everybody for supporting me since day one up to today. Thank you so much. And also thank you so much for my new subscriber who joined my videos today. Subscribe, comment, enjoy the series to the end. Wow, 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 guys, wow. This is another story from East Africa, Kenya, you know. So the good thing about me, I shoot the videos you see from A to Z, you know, nothing to be hide, you know. Also, I go to the river, look for the sand, looking for the truck, bring those stuff here. Man, it's a lot, you know. But the only thing I didn't go to Nairobi is to bring those blocks. I didn't go there, you know. I don't want to lie on that. No. Blocks, I make a call with my engineer. We sign a deal. When the block arrived, I pay the money. So the rest of the material, I look for them. The video is just over there. You wanna enjoy. And also traveling videos just over there. You wanna enjoy. Going to Nairobi, Mombasa, Kisumu. You wanna enjoy those vlogs, guys. So let me check them on other side. So let's go, guys. You know, sweet home sweet. This I'm calling home. This I'm born and raised, you know, within this small family that you see here. And although I'm trying to change it slowly by slowly, there's a motorbike passing there, so I'm trying to change it slowly by slowly, you know. Wow. But my mama house come first, and then the rest of things follow. So guys, I'm going to check them. Wow. Good morning, ma'am.
I am fine.
Yeah, that's my mama, guys, washing the polythene paper for our neighbor. So we use this one for drying the maize. If you're watching my videos every day, you see this polythene paper. On the other side have the maize corn. Wow. So guys, it's a bright morning over here in East Africa, Kenya, and we thank God for the gift of life. I want to take you outside, guys, you know. Wow, let's go. My grandma car grazing here. So today, guys, I want to do some courses here, you know. Oh, it's cold, man. It's cold, but let's do it, guys, you know. So yesterday I was being in the farm, but I didn't hold the djembe on those bull there. So I feel today to show you my experience, guys. I know other people say, hello baby, why don't you help your mama? Why don't you help your brother in the farm? So today I'm gonna share with you some experience here and there. How much are you saying? Yeah. Wow. But I heard like these cows are not like pulling quick and fast, you know. Other cows very maybe lazy. I don't know. Go tell me. Okay, guys, I need to share with you some a little bit experience how we do these things here. Maybe yesterday I came here, I shoot my brothers doing plowing with this oxen, and then people might wonder, hello baby, why don't you hold? Okay, bro, come and hold here. Touch on button. Say good morning, my brother.
Good morning.
You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's I'm the firstborn, who is the secondborn, and then also you have the tallest. You good?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's my brother. And the surprise is coming, guys, for my brother. He was making like, oh, buying me this. I will release the videos, guys, anytime. Okay, build this side here. Sasa ntugisuyega weni gorokopo era morekega sawa. Okay. That's hello baby. Okay, kuja. Kora ngande boy. Siniko pense han. Okay, guys, we try we try to look good angle. Kuja. Tabambe harudi ngisi ngombe.
Heko.
Unokomoreka hano boy. Kuja. Yeah, guys, you see. Hey, Rush. Sorry. Yeah, let's go. That's a little bit on the control. Yeah, man. We are going to connect. Pick up. I'm going to come again with a watcher. Pick up. Pick up. Let's go. One love. You go. Yup, guys. Let's go. Oh my God. You put at the center. You know. Let's go. Kabara sora tega boot kego. Hiya. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Come on, bro. Yeah. So could just come on. There's race with it. Hang, so. Yeah. Like that. Subscribe on the comment section, guys. Not subscribe, comment on the comment section, guys. What do you think? You know. Yeah. Hiya! Better is going to go. Ayo. Hiya! And a samba coming. I'm going to do that week. Ah, we can be more security. Hiya! Let's go! Misho! Hiya! Yeah! Yeah. Kuja is to come, you know, on the position. So, that's how I'm going. I'm sure. Chiri! Chiri! Sometimes, guys, it's tough to control, you know. At the same time, the djembe will slide and all stuff, you know. Let's go. We get the thank you. Okay, come. Wagwan. Big up from my Jamaican family. And also from US. Big up. Let's go. Sure. Show them. Show them. Guys, it's been unwind. Go. Go. Sure. Sure. It's been unwind, guys. Sure. Come on. Yeah. And then, guys, you really stop the cow. Yeah. Go to it. I think the ambulance. Wow. Let's go. Misho. Hey. No. Misho. Up. Diga come. Did touch it. Like you to go anything on. Sure. Sure.
Guardare मेरी गेम को तंती में
Ringia nimevanga hivi. Ruhando. Sasa, sasa. Misho.
kubandiri chingawi
Misho. Ana hemba ndi. Eh. Alright guys. Yeah. So they are going to have another partition down there. That's where you go. Tell my brother come on this side here. That's how you meet that. You totally slave. Stories too much. Yeah, I'm telling him like to put here a gem. Anyway guys, that's how the videos go. And we outside guys, you know. At the same time we outside to build Africa. We outside you know, on the process of you know, planting maize, you know. We're down. Careful, careful, careful. That's how I'm telling my queen, eh? Nicola, see me, my hand. Nicola, me, my hand. Check it, check it. Which one? Ah, I hate to come. So, like, I want to mark a line. Go. Ayo mura. Okay. You know guys, sometimes the car very disturbance. No guys. And let me tell you guys, all of us, we know how to play with this Zembe. I know country like Philippines, they use buffalo, you know. They use buffalo to plow, but for us here we use cow. The male one or the bull one, you know. Right, let's go. So things are vice versa, you know. Hey.
I'm sure.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm sure.
You see, that's my brother, and then on the other side also that's my brother controlling the cow.
Ah, you sure? I'm sure.
So guys, on these videos, I'm heading home. There's 2 gentlemen fetching water, pouring down, because today, I think, to be specific,
I'm sure.
it's our last day of fixing the carabat.
I'm sure.
You know, let's go. You move. So technically,
Sure.
after finishing fixing the carabat down, and then
I'm sure.
we work on the lead. Let's go up. Yeah. Mike vou ndio kero, sikane kibo. Ai, tá dinga. We don't want to use this sick, it will injure the cow. Alright. So let's go, guys. My brother have the gumboot. You see? Hey.
I'm sure. Ah.
Yeah. We normally do like this for the first time, and then they will come here for the second, like they will left around 1 week, and then after that they will come again with the same cow plowing, and then the land looks clean, smooth, and then we plant the maize.
I'm sure.
I can't wait, guys, to see again the maize, man. You know, so that's the best way you can earn standard of living, you know. Yeah, you have white job collar, we have blue job collar, you know. I don't know whether this, I think this is blue job collar, right? These are blue job collar.
I don't know that.
You don't know? Maybe I think white job collar is for those people who maybe work in office, you know. Yeah. Let's go.
I'm sure.
Working in a construction site as a handman, that's maybe a blue job collar. I don't know, guys. Maybe white job collar or blue job collar. Please comment on the comment section. Let us know, guys. You know, we're just over here to learn.
I'm sure.
You know?
I'm sure.
Yeah, we should to go straight at the end of the land.
I'm sure.
But my brother is not beating the cow, like is to, yeah, like to direct them, you know. Come on, Joe. Okay, you walk. Let me go check the guy back home. Education is power. Alright, guys, I left them working, so at least I show you my experience, guys, you know, like zero experience. So let's go, guys, and check the guy. 2 gentlemen. And guys, let me tell you one thing. We're so blessed. I was give up to demolish my first borehole because it collapsed 26 feet going down. You know, in the middle, the borehole collapsed from there until deeply. But by God's grace, my engineer came with another intention, and then I was thinking it's a joke, but we get water and it's purely clean. Guys, if you are ready, let me show you that. See, look the maize. If you roast this maize and then you drink with porridge, man, boom. All right, let's go. And also guys, remember, more materials are coming, so be ready guys, be ready. Me, what I believe, dream are varied, and if you go hard on your dream, nothing is possible. Every day is to grind, putting videos, no, putting videos. Let me see whether this balance it can finish up some work. Yeah, I think it will finish up, you know. Yeah, guys, no pressure on this. Zero pressure. And I'm saying zero pressure, I mean externally pressure, not internal, guys. I'll throw that energy. I'm saying zero pressure, external, you know. I means no pressure on my borehole here again. Let's show you guys. You see these small stones for backfilling down of the borehole, you know, deep around, and then put the carabat, like to control soil erosion deep. It's crazy, man. I don't know. You see guys, clean water also here. Have two gentlemen here fetching water from morning around 6 up now. I think it's 2. It's 8. It's not 2 is in Swahili. It's around 8. Kasir fetch bakabach.
We are in the process.
Kwani ngani wanataka sira? Okay. Yeah. So you fetch until when those guys will be around. The moment you stop. Imagine guys, from 6 up to 8. How many hours? 6, 7, 8. 3 hours continuous. Yeah. And then the moment you stop, like 30 minutes, and then the water will be full. Yeah. Hey, bana number ache bana venta patte kere gas yaar. Kahan hai baat? There's a mission. Huh? Yeah, na hare ba kurasteri home. See guys, since morning this is running water. We fetch, we pour down like crazy. You see the water is running. The rest going that way, other one go that way, man. Oh. This is an incredible story from East Africa here. See, you have a lot. No, look at this side here. A lot. Kwani wanakika taringi ya marabu? Sasa ngara kakekor.
Umechanganya.
Yeah. Eh, ukimucha pare pakijengere.
Kare kukura kustairs here.
Barambiri gihansi stairs hochire. So my engineer who go deeply, he told me there's some more staircase, the normal one, down.
From the bottom.
Yeah, but the crazy thing is, my borehole collapsed from the middle and then boom. Imagine. Ring head. Look, other water going to other side. Man, it's a lot. Let me show you. Look at this. This is what. Oh, this is what. What? Hey. Hey. And also some gentlemen here peeling maize. Hey. Say morning, Judo.
Morning.
You good?
I'm good.
Hani anin? Guys, I'm asking this maize. What purposes for this maize? Yanin?
Ya kupika.
Ya kupika. Yeah, they when you get this maize, maybe for example, if I harvest maize on my farm and then the guy went to look for the remaining maize, like for him, and then peel it, dry them, and then sell it to have some cash. Hey, okay. Oh my God. Yeah. Karmani ba utakatur kurutu man. Karutri gomba kaicho na utu he.
Mambo very tourist bad. Mani yoni chire saa 10. Okamosire. Ndio maboko kamyo.
Like you have 2 containers of fetching what? Hayo mama igarabdin isimite makoto kana kotema mongo kamo. Yori katamo.
Antika na umari.
Oh bado ngucha kati. Teo ngoka.
Wendo bado nguchoncha kani.
Nato kama ngoka kakuchi. Teo.
Nyoro yongo kinyira. Ko garagara ndopora iwe.
Eh. Okay guys, let me show you guys. You know, yesterday we made a video. Like, let me tell you guys, I have several of the videos which I haven't released them, so probably yesterday we have I read the videos of bring sand, you know, home within here. So the main thing, guys, I'm putting more effort of bringing the sand because blocks I can get easily, cement, but a sand when it's dry season, trust me guys, you never get a sand. If you get one lorry, it's more expensive rather than buying at this time, you know, it's more expensive. I can't wait to see, guys, the guy removing the logs, this one, and root and everything. Let me show you. Then here, you know, blocks, if I get money I can make a call with my engineer. Oh, I need some blocks, the number of blocks, and then the following day you see blocks, boom, to my construction site. But getting sand, a sand like this, trust me, So far so good. I brought 3 tippers here, or 3 lorries. Let me show you here. You know, I don't know who stepped on my sand. I don't know. I don't know who stepped on my sand. So far so good. The sand which I brought from the river, this one road here, again it's come reach on this side here. Also, this is a second trip. You can see some, look, some gap. That's first trip, and then there is a gap there, second trip. You know, wow. Come along with me, guys. And then this is the third trip here. You know, you see, this one for construction is just okay. Also, I ask the guy who bring the sand, the first lorry that we brought before I go to Mombasa, I think they tried to fooling me or to put me in a trap, but he told me it can work. They can remove there maybe 3 wheelbarrows, and then here 3 or 3 here, 2 there, 3 nice one, 2 another one. So this one here, I'll release the videos, guys. You know, I have a lot of videos which I haven't released them. I do some videos, I stock them. You know. Wow. When I'm standing here, you see some trips. 1, 2. You see, guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I think this is the best one. And right now, guys, let me focus on blocks, and then focus on cement. Man, I have a long way to go. If I get 60 bags of cement, it can push 60. It can push the house. And also and then labor man is just over there. But let's push it, man. I'll never give up. Wow. So after these videos, I think at the end of the videos, I'm going to the river on other side at River YouTube. I give the guy some money to remove the sand. I'll go to check him, because first trip that we bought from River YouTube, look the sand, very smooth for plastering, very smooth, like this number 1. Also this number 2, you know, and then also that's number 2. Number 3 is this one here, you see. And then the last number 5, the rough one. All right. Wow, look, some mountain of stones here. Yeah, it's crazy. Also, like they try to reduce some ratio of the stones to backfill on my borehole, but no problem, as long as it's working on my site, no problem. Look, man, it's so beautiful, guys, you know. Wow. Yeah, I must walk careful sometime. You know, we have some sharp stones. It will injure myself, you know. Look. Yeah. By supporting me, guys, I'm trying to make all of this material that you see here, I bring back home. The moment I get money, I said, you know what, I want to build my mama dream house. Let me buy material slowly, pole. No competition, no pressure. Like, I do my own thing, step by step. Like you walk slowly, but a smart one, you know. So guys, stay tuned. Guys, my engineer arrived, so the work is continued. Hey. Hey. Engineer Donjo. Donjo ni kuingia. Okay.
Yeah?
So I think guys I'll run to border town to see whether I can come with the waterproof, and then boom. Waterproof pakiti 5, si ndio?
Paketi 5.
5. Okay.
Kama shika. Moja unanunuanga huko pesa ngapi?
150.
Hiyo ni bei sawa.
Yeah?
Hiyo ni sawa. Huko kwetu ni 300.
Wewe labda unaongea nini? Hili inaitwaje? Ile kwa kwenye tiles ndo 300 hapo.
Ile huko ni 500.
Grout ndo 300.
Oh.
Nyewe waterproof ni 500.
Imeshika kushika.
Tatoka.
Ndio naambianga watu.
Sio uko shiri mteka kali. Inatoka. Tena ameanza kurudi. Suvute hapa.
Kuna kachuma mengine mrefu.
Ile nondo. Alright guys, I'm heading Nyabohanse. I want to buy some ropes for the work, especially in my borehole. So let's go guys. The work continues guys, you know. It's not an easy thing. Wow. So I have my baby here. Let's go. Up the grazing point. Oh, it's my brother, man. Wow. So I'm still working guys. I think maybe today and tomorrow they will finish up. Oh, I'm outside guys. At least the bike man helped me a lot. It's helped me a lot. I can't complain. Imagine border town, Nyabohanse doing this. And I heard one of you say Hello Baby is too much motorbike. Yeah, I need like to rest a little bit. Let's finish up. Wow, super calm day. And I'm outside, guys, to chase my dream every day. Chase my dream. It's a nice house. That's a school right here, but right now they have been given half term. I think they'll resume back on Monday next week. Mom, Wadi, una mandazi? Haya. I see the retreat is enjoying ride. That's how Nyabohansa looks like. Yeah, fresh. Very in the morning. It looks like that. Bunto ba ito? Yun. Kuya pare. I need this camera. Eric! Odi! No one is here. I need this one. So let me call him. Alright guys, there's some ropes here. It's meant from the sisal plantation. If you know the sisal, guys, this rope is meant from the sisal. That one here. So I'm taking it back home for the pulling of soil from the borehole, guys. We're still working on that. Wow. Well guys, this is the formwork here. You see the entry of the container, and then down here have the poultry, to make below to be look clean. This fire. Fire. Hey.
Unajua unajiona uko kwa TV sasa.
Hizi tutaweka jioni.
Oben. Najishtuka tu unaonekana kwa TV hapa.
Bwana, nataka nijionee jioni.
Utajiona jioni.
Leo
Nitakupa jina yangu afu endo search YouTube utaiona tu.
Unipe channel.
Okay guys, imagine today it's somehow at the end of this project, so that's the reason why you see around 3 people pulling the sand or soil.
Bwana, mimi naona
si kitu mngepiga mbao.
Hata nimeona leta msumari. Naona hao watu unaweza kufa saa hii. Leta msumari bwana.
Kataba hata msumari.
Hao wameogopa kusema.
Hivyo.
Naona kama mnaweza leta hapa matanga bure.
Sasa
wewe ulikuja jobu.
Haki ya Mungu, nani aliniambia nisisome?
Umeoa.
Oi.
Man pao.
Sasa ndivyo upewe hii.
Daiwa. Mnangobole za sokora. Haraka pako osheni bire.
Fundi analia sumpe hii.
Nani?
Aya.
Unaweza vuta hii?
Nani? Upewe hii.
Asiye nalingana na hii.
Aya. Wapi msumari?
Weka hiyo msumari ugonge hapo. Unajua wewe.
Ngoja naleta.
Nyundo iko wapi?
Ngoja tukutolee kwanza.
Ile wapi ile nyundo?
Guys, they are killing me here.
Huyu jamaa amesema hii inatosana na hii.
Alright guys, I think right now it's lunchtime and my mama, she was cooking ugali here. See guys, it's a lot of ugali. Yeah, because we have the mason and like the people who work on my borehole, so they're supposed to eat in a good way. Guys, since morning it's work. You know, and also my dog, it's already known it's lunchtime. Bruno, shh. Bruno, calm down. So they have already known it's lunchtime. It's so good here. Yeah, when people work on my construction site at home here, they need to take breakfast, lunch. In the evening time, I pay them money and then release them to go. You know, you see, it's a lot of ugali, guys. A lot of ugali. You know. So Mama, she was taking the control. Do you see that skills, guys? You know, because I think that ugali, they can feed around more than 10 people because it's a lot. We have my brothers, sisters, mom, I myself, also my neighbor right here, Mason from Migori. At the same time, my neighbors who work here since morning, like pulling water, pour down, you know. There's a hot pot for putting ugali. And guys, I don't know how this long of the videos take. I don't know, guys. I had no idea. I'm just creating the videos. At the end of the day, boom. Yeah, this is our smoky kitchen here. And guys, I saw people say, "Hello, baby, too much of riding the bike." So if I finish these issues, maybe I'll have a short break around maybe 1 week, and then go back to my bike because it's helped me a lot. Going border town, bring waterproof cement, this and this, you know. Yeah. And for those who people saying, "Hello, baby, just get money, buy your mama gas cooker. You know, one day you will see our modern kitchen, guys. You wait, guys. The day is coming because I'm going to build my dream house. Where you see that house it is. So I'll fix my mama kitchen to be modern. You know, they will have gas cooker. You know, yeah, pressure cooker and all stuff. You know, things will take time, guys. By own space. You know, I'm not rushing things. There's fire. Hey, 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 hey. And then they'll put here ugali right now. Okay. According to our culture, we don't want to sit in the kitchen. We give your mom enough space, you know. Hey, hey. There is some other dogs making noise outside. Hey, mama, umeungua. Hey, guys. Reduce fire, mom. See that skin, man? No jokes here. Boom. Yeah, I know smoke is not good in our health, but we use what we have, you know, back years up to nowadays. Alright, and then they'll put on this hot pot here. I'm waiting, but I didn't see my mama reaction. Okay, cut it like that. See guys, that skills. Whoa, boom. That's for the mason. Alright guys, keep watching these videos to the end. More amazing videos coming, and all my videos, it's about traveling and construction. That's what I do in my village here. When I'm around in my village, is construction, especially transforming our home. And then when I'm outside there, I show you traveling, guys. I have been Nairobi, I have been Kisumu, I have been Mombasa. So the next time, man, is to go outside of my country, maybe in Tanzania, you know. So these are waterproof here. I'm supposed to use this, but at first I was buying another waterproof that we'll use later, and then when it's not enough, I'll bring this outside. You see here, it's written high concentrated, you know, Pudulo waterproof cement. No jokes, guys, no jokes. Alright guys, stay blessed. More amazing videos coming, man. You wait, the lunch is around. Okay guys, and also the balance stones come from this side here. Wow guys, I'm so blessed, more blessed. And I say thank you everybody who's supporting me by watching my videos, advise me, you know, like the videos. That's the best way we can support Hello Baby Official. You can see guys, at the same time I support my uncle building this toilet here. Wow. Hey, siko koto basi imenisaidia sana. Imenisaidia sana. Hey.
Naona vile imesukuma.
Niletaga gari moja. Kajenga choo kila kitu.
Sasa unaweza leta. Hii unataka kujenga nayo?
Sijui ya kukorogea chini, sijui itakuwa ni gani.
Tuleta tu watu wa kugonga.
Haya maana ya kujenga. Sasa si nimenunua mawe 7,000. Watatuanga bado hiyo ni gharama. Wheelbarrow 90. Sini yetu niende nichukue 14,000 nichukue hii mara moja.
Uko sawa.
Sasa hii inakuwa chafu na michanga. So he was telling me instead of buying the balance stones, I bring some people to crush that stones right there. That's more expensive. Either I'll buy this. Wait a minute. Guys, to be honest, I think today it's the last day to fix carabats down deeply, and then maybe by tomorrow is to clear everything, you know, putting the lid and then to be cemented on top, fixing the door. That's the work that's remaining here. I was working close to 1.5 weeks, guys. Paper. I also ruch. Ndamai labda mahoko har. Okay guys, they're asking me paper, green paper. Because right now the mail is around the corner. You know. Sardine. We have ugali here. Also today I will eat with my mason around. Leo mpaka nikule na nyinyi hapa. Wewe fundi. Sasa umeenda sunge kula. Anakuja. Akuja akule.
Bora uzulie.
Njoo ukule kwanza. Kwa sababu hii game ni nzito. Uje kwanza ukule. Ndio urudi hapo. Hey guys, I'm telling my engineer to just come up and then eat because right now it's lunch time.
Encado.
Ukinyori? Unaona choka? Ka.
Encado mera.
Naiwa.
Kanto utaiborana kumatoke mara chini. Tawai.
Wacha nikuje nitoe hii ndio nikuje. Wasiombe kabla sijaingia hapo.
Wewe ndo utaomba. Leo nitakula na nyinyi hapo. Sababu leo niko njaa. You see this young man, young gentleman, since morning is pulling water up to now.
See my hands.
Yeah, it's good. It's good you go harder and then you get your own money. Like I don't know, at my home here, me I normally offer free lunch, free breakfast. At the end of the day, you get your own money, exactly money. You know. Right, let's go, guys. Pure clean water. See at this point, but this one are not clean right now because it's under construction. So we fetch in the morning, we put here, so they will use for the next purposes like mixing this. Au mzee sasa tutuweka hapo ndani. Aje kwanza watu wakule. Wow. Maybe this video is around 40 minutes. Me, I'm just upload the way it is. If it could be 1 hour, let's go. Let's flow with vibe. See guys, look, this is all sun that we get since morning. Hata makaratasi yalikuwa ndani. Sasa ile mkitoka, sijui nitaweka juu mabati. I thought to cover the iron sheet on top because of the leaves, you know. But he told me tomorrow, because it was our last day, they will make some cleaners down on top and then we say goodbye. And guys, I was planning to buy some big hen or big cock for slaughtering, and then we appreciate them because they risk lives for fixing the carabat. As I told you earlier, you know, the guy who dig that borehole, they said it's risk. Even them, when they go there, they said it's risk. But they told me, you just bring some materials and then things will be okay. I think when I get, when I found 20 USD, I'll celebrate with them. Buying cock, like hen, and then slaughter, you know, all ingredients. And then we celebrate, you know, $20. You know, by tomorrow maybe we can celebrate, guys, with them. Just to appreciate them for the good work. Me, I was taught as a joke, but it was a serious, guys. You know, I think they were joking with me like, oh, bring material, and then they left. But they put more effort, risking their life. And then apart from paying them money, I want to appreciate them, you know, buying Coke, you know, to eat, and then boom. That's how I am, guys, you know. I'm not faking things, you know. When God blessed me, let's use that chance, you know, to show people some love here and there. I don't want to be jealous, like personally, you know. When I have something, I need to share with my neighbors, with villagers. But if my villagers hate me, I don't want to share with them anything, guys, you know. I share with my villagers or my neighbors for those who treat me good, you know. But for those people who treat me, I'm Illuminati and devil worshiper, like that one, no business with them, you know. But for us, guys, we believe in God, you know. We are a Catholic. We are a Roman Catholic Church, guys, pure, you know. Because other people in my village here, they don't want to see me what I'm making, what I'm doing, you know, to be successful, you know. They feel more jealous, guys. But no time with them here, no time. Within here, no time, you know. For example, there's one of a woman here, or a mother, you know. I make a deal with his children or his son, and then he make for me bricks. At the end of the day, he tried to bring some chaos, you know, calling me a Illuminati, like funny names. But we said, return my money. So anytime the money will be returning back, so I'll use that money maybe to add and pay the mason, you know, during the construction. But anytime, because I see him when I was passing to Border Town, like putting more effort making bricks. You know, the more he sells that bricks, return my money. And actually it's $300, you know, no faking things here. Okay, so let me go and have my lunch, and then boom. Hey, I'm telling him to go inside and eat. We are waiting here. Sardine and ugali, and also Kes here. No problem. Ugali is ugali. Ugali is ugali. Drizzing.
Greasing. Kizunguzungu.
Tawasali mihana. Alright, guys. I went in Border Town. I buy something here. Let me show you guys. Very expensive. I bought another wire mesh, but it's not working on the ground because metallic one will rust and then bring problem to the water. So I decided to buy this. This is a plastic one, and are more expensive, guys. You know, per meter we go around $5. So this is around $10. So it's 2 meters. Imagine, guys. So down there where we have the tunnels, so they can allow water penetrate here on this hole that we see here. See right here, man. It's so expensive, but if I decide, you know, to do something good, let's do it one and forget it, guys. You know, below here we have avocado hanging. Imagine. Oh, yeah. We're still working, guys. So today no videos in Border Town. Hey. So I think maybe by tomorrow is to plaster that lid, put the door, and then also here to make some cleanness here. You'll see, guys. You know. No, guys, I'm so confused, but I'll finish this game about fixing water transport balanced. Alright guys, I want to end this video by saying thank you everybody, and in case you're new guys, please join on today's videos. I'm walking here very carefully guys, because something else, you see. So I want to say thank you everybody. In case you join my videos, please subscribe, comment, share, like. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. And the good thing about me guys, I'm showing you how things go, you know, from A to Z, nothing to be hide. And I'm sharing with you some cost price of maybe material. If maybe one of you come to Africa and then want to have a home in Africa, they have already know the price of the sand, stones, balance stones, you know. So like also blocks, nothing to be high, you know. I think oh man, this is the end of my journey, you know. So right now let's them finish. So tomorrow is to remove the carabat, those metallic stuff, and then wash, you know, those carabats, and then removing the remaining balance that are falling into the water, and then clear everything, and then we say goodbye guys. So I think let me go and find if I can get 20 USD so I can celebrate with them by tomorrow in a good way. And probably guys, they risk lives inside there, because it was very, very, very dangerous, very, very risk. No one can go there. So also it's more expensive to put carabat. So rather than I construct another new borehole and then I fix carabat, you know. So I see on my side it's expensive, but I know that borehole has a lot of water. You see these videos from the start to the end, you know. So let me say guys, goodbye. I love you. We shall meet on the next video guys. Bye.